Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring Chapter 1 of National Book Curriculum for ninth grade Chemistry, Nature of Science in Chemistry. We'll cover the fundamental concepts of science, how chemistry fits into the bigger picture, and why it matters in our daily lives. So let's dive in and discover the world of chemistry together. As you can see from the contents here, we'll explore the definition of chemistry and its various branches. I'll provide a brief introduction to each branch, highlight essential questions you should consider, and discuss how each branch applies to our daily lives. Beginning with the definition of chemistry, it is a science that deals with materials of universe and changes these materials undergo. Materials are either made up of matter or energy. Matter is anything that has weight and occupies space, and we can see this in the three states of water: solid, liquid, and gas. Energy comes in various different forms and from various different sources, as you can see from sun, from nuclear reactors, and from windmills. So overall, chemistry focuses on the composition, structure, properties, behavior, changes of matter and energy along with their interactions. Next, let's take a look at some of the branches of chemistry that are mentioned in your curriculum. These include organic, inorganic, physical chemistry, analytical chemistry, biochemistry, environmental chemistry, industrial chemistry, medicinal chemistry, polymer chemistry, geochemistry, nuclear chemistry, and astrochemistry. Each of these branches focuses on different aspects of matter and its interaction. Now, before we explore each branch of chemistry in detail, I'd like to share a quick mnemonic to help you remember all these 12 branches. The mnemonic is: penguins in orange are always busy eating ice cream and getting more pizza nuggets. All the highlighted letters correspond to one branch of chemistry. This will make it easier for you to recall them later on.